Look at it.
It's the faces.
Look at her. She can't even. Girl, look how much you eating. You can't even reach behind your back.
So what's this story?
What can I say? Some fish in here just can't.
Look, she being out.
You never know who's gonna roll with you next. Could be you.
Oh, could be you.
Look at her stomach. Look at this.
It's Buzz.
Hmm? Oh, God. Look at her. She being so lady, she don't even want to turn around.
Let's say for you.
What is this? What is this?
You two
Look at
are
this.
Very useful to me.
We're not doing anything
So
until we
fat.
find a little
Right. She can't even look. She just rolling.
No? Are you sure? I know. Like I was saying, you and your large friend here are gonna help us bust out.
Now you're talking my language. And how are we gonna do that?
I'll let you know when you need to know. Davish?
Right, you can't even reach right here. Look at her.
She's like letting you do it, like she give up.
Scary out here. Yeah, that's for sure.
Gross.
Hey, let her go. Did you see what it was? No, I didn't. Oh, look. That's a strange little creature. It could be dangerous. You are a funny looking Ashlow. I'm a skeleton. I'm an octopus.
Start eating so much, maybe that wouldn't happen.